If you've got yourself a JAECOO J7, then one accessory I highly recommend installing is going to be the 4K dash cam. And now the good thing with this is it's an OEM fit, so that means you literally take off a piece of the plastic behind the driver's mirror and then replace it with the dash cam. It's a plug and play system, and it works really well, and it was really easy to install as well. It took probably no more than 10-15 minutes. And today is going to be my first drive using the dash cam, so we can test it out and see what it's like. I do have a DJI Osmo Action 4 in 4K as well, similar position, so we can compare the difference between a dedicated 4K action camera versus the 4K of the dash cam. After this video, if you are interested in how I installed it, then check out the link in the description box below. Looking at the dash cam then, it is going to set you back £150, but something that personally I feel is definitely worth it. I know it's either my car insurance or my bike insurance. When I was setting it up, they did say I've got a £500 mandatory excess. Obviously you have the mandatory excess and the voluntary excess. They said if I provide evidence, i.e. footage of the crash, the accident, whatever it may be, that they would wipe off the voluntary excess. So potentially there's £250 to £500 worth of savings. Now the footage doesn't have to be yours, it could be the other car that you had the accident with, but yeah, if you've got this, potentially it would pay for itself if you did have an accident, but I highly recommend getting something like this. The dash cam uses an app that you can go on to connect to the Wi-Fi of the camera, so you can retrieve all the footage that you need. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to pull out the memory card, you can. It's easily accessible from the right hand side, and you literally just pop it in and out. One thing to note with the memory card is I believe it has to be under 128 gigabyte and a U3 speed for it to work properly. And they do actually recommend formatting it every 1 to 2 months. So that's something that I didn't know. So I'm gonna have to add it into the calendar so I can remember to do it. The camera works off a loop system, so you can set it to either 1 or 3 minutes. And so basically you'll have 1 minute files or 3 minute files, depending on whatever you pick in the app itself. Once the memory card's full and it's at the end, it then goes back to the start. And so potentially the footage at the start of the memory card might be 7, 10, a month old, whatever, depending on how big your memory card is, and then it would just start wiping over that old footage because you've not needed it and you've not used it. So I haven't actually checked out the footage myself, so when I am editing this video will be the first time I'm seeing it. I believe it's got a microphone, so it will record obviously audio from inside as well. Because the camera is plug and play, you don't need to do anything. As soon as you jump in the car, you literally just turn the car on and it sends power and it starts recording straight away. There is actually a hardwire kit that gets provided with it on the installation side. If you choose to go down the hardwire kit, then it gives you what's called like a parking detection. So if the vehicle is knocked, it will start recording for like 20 seconds or so. So you've got something, and then when you come back, that'll be saved into one of the certain folders. But yeah, I didn't go down the hardwire installation. I don't have that capability. I'm not a mechanic. So the plug and play system is absolutely perfect for me. If you do want to grab yourself one of these dash cams or any accessories for the JAECOOs, the J5 or the J7, there will be a link in the description box below for myjaecoo.co.uk. They have very kindly sent me this dash cam to install and check out, and they are the sponsors of today's video. When I was looking through the owner's manual the other day, there is actually a section for OEM DVR. So some models around the world for the JAECOO will come with the dash cam installed. I don't know why over in the UK we don't. If you're not in the UK and in your country your JAECOO has come with a dash cam, then please just write down what country you're in. So I'm just intrigued, because I don't know why they didn't include it. I'm sure it wouldn't have been an expensive addition. From the driver's perspective, the dash cam sits just a little bit lower than the mirror on the bottom right hand corner of it. So overall it's not distracting, it's not in the way. Again, it's just a really sleek fit. So the footage is 4K 30. In the settings you can change it to like 2K 30 or like 1080. Honestly, there's no point doing that. It may save you a little bit of file space, but the quality difference will be noticeable. So yeah, leave it at 4K. I kind of wish it went up to 4K 60, And the reason for that is then there's just more frames within the footage. So if I was having to slow it down to try and get a clear image of a number plate because the car was moving fast, in 4K 30 it's going to be a little bit harder to do, whereas 4K 60 there's twice as many frames, so it's got more chance of getting a clear image of the number plate. But again, that is in a more of a kind of bespoke niche manner, i.e. a vehicle was going too fast, but this slow town speed driving, 4K 30 is absolutely fine. I forgot to say I got a 10% discount for you on myjaecoo.co.uk. Don't forget to check out the description box to grab that. On the back of the camera there are two buttons. One's to take a photo and that will get saved straight away into one of the folders in the system that you can get access to via the app. And then the other one is to pause the video, I believe. So overall then, I think the dash cam is a great bit of kit, easy to install. The quality is really, really good as well. And more importantly, when you're looking at the car from the outside, you can't even see it's there. It's just so well integrated into the car. It's a perfect addition to your J7. All right, it's miserable. I'm getting wet. I'm gonna go in. If you liked it, found it useful, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, subscribe to the channel. And if you are looking at getting a JAECOO or you've got one, I've got plenty of videos on the J7, so check them out. And yeah, don't forget, description box below, myjaecoo.co.uk, 10% discount. See you on the next one.